We're going to make the perfect summer entree. So next up, fig, parma ham and goat's cheese that we're going to bake off in the oven. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then you would need some fresh figs. Never use preserved figs. Unfortunately, figs are only in season now, so I got some lovely figs from the market that we're going to use. Parma ham and goat's cheese. And then just for decoration at the end and for that nice crunchy touch, we're going to use some chopped macadamia nuts. So what we're going to do is rinse your figs, just cut off the tail, make small incisions inside, then press it open a little bit and put it into your roasting tray. So you will prep all your figs first, small incisions, just a crisscross, press it, and the last one. So you can work on about 3 figs per person when you do the starter. Then you take your goat's cheese and we're going to put the goat's cheese inside. So just stuff the figs with a little bit of goat's cheese. If you don't like the taste of goat's cheese, you can also use Danish feta. That's also more or less got the same texture. And then we're just going to take the parma ham and wrap it around, bake it in the oven for 10 minutes and ready to serve. So it's very fast also to make this. So you take your parma ham and just wrap it around. That's it. And the flavors between the saltiness of the parma ham, the richness of the cheese and the sweetness of the figs are just a perfect combination. That's it. So now what you do is, you can just bake it off in the oven 10 minutes. After 10 minutes in the oven, remove the dish, and then for serving, just take the macadamia nuts and sprinkle over your figs. We use unsalted macadamia nuts. Some fresh rocket out of our garden. And now what you do is just pack your figs on top of the rocket. Use the Willow Creek balsamic glaze. Just a drizzle of that. And here's the perfect starter. And we're going to pair our lovely starter with Laborie Rosé.